To sell on Amazon as a beginner in under 20 minutes, follow these step-by-step instructions. 1. Create an Amazon account. Go to Amazon's website and sign up for a seller account. You'll need to provide your personal and business information, as well as a credit card for fees. 2. Choose your selling plan. Amazon offers 2 selling plans, individual and professional. For beginners, the individual plan is a good option as it's free to sign up for and only charges a fee per sale. However, if you plan on selling more than 40 items per month, the professional plan may be more cost-effective. 3. Set up your seller profile. Once you've chosen your selling plan, you'll be prompted to set up your seller profile. This includes providing your business name, address, and contact information. You'll also need to provide a bank account and tax information for payments. 4. List your products. To list your products, go to the Add a Product tab in your seller dashboard. You'll need to provide detailed product information, including the title, description, price, and category. Be sure to use high-quality images and accurate product details to attract buyers. 5. Set your pricing strategy. Decide on your pricing strategy, whether you want to compete on price or offer unique products at a premium price point. Be sure to factor in Amazon's fees and shipping costs when setting your prices. 6. Manage your inventory. Keep track of your inventory levels and reorder products when needed. You can use Amazon's inventory management tools to help you stay organized and avoid overselling. 7. Monitor your performance. Regularly check your seller metrics and feedback ratings to track your performance on Amazon. Use this information to improve your listings and customer service strategies over time. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily set up an Amazon seller account as a beginner and start selling products in under 20 minutes.